Hey guys, welcome to Survive Better Together. This was actually filmed on August 19th. Just a little delay in getting it put up, but I thought you might enjoy it. We were checking out the Koontenai Falls. Feel free to pause it if you feel like reading all the details on it. It's just a really incredible place to check out, and that was something that we decided to do together, but unfortunately there was a lot of wildfires and it was extremely smoky. Walking down from the highway to the Koontenai Falls. Very beautiful area. You can hear the highway, but will soon be away. This was famous from the movie A River Wild. Okay, keeping on walking down. I'm sure you can hear the falls. I'll get silent for a second. Crazy, huh?
Oh, there's a person standing there.
Right, caution, river levels and flow changes without warning. Scary. Okay, the beautiful, beautiful falls. We're gonna see if we can get a little closer. It's extremely smoky today, if you cannot tell, due to the wildfires, but boy, pretty breathtaking. Oh my goodness, guys. I feel like I cannot do enough justice for these photos or this video. First of all, when I was standing down lower, you can see all the way to the bottom. So keep in mind, I mentioned this was from the movie A River Wild. Part of it was filmed here, part of this was filmed on the Rogue River in Oregon, and it's incredible. So dang smoky today though. I mean, it's a little hard to breathe, but see if I can zoom in enough for you to actually see down in the water. It's just absolutely incredible. So there's quite a few waterfalls here. I'm going to move over, carefully watch my footing on this shell rock, and move over for you to see the rest. Okay, I don't know if you can even hear it or if you can hear me over it. I mean, it's so clear and it is so beautiful. I just take it in, swallow it up, even with the smoke. It's just incredible. I can't believe from up here I can see all the way down in the water. Here's another angle coming down through the channel of falls. That is impressive. This is the Koontenai River coming off. Kind of zooming out a little bit here so you can see. Pretty amazing. Alright, I'm going to keep exploring. Look at that wall of water. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, guys. This is so incredible. Just the power of this river coming through these falls. And as if that wasn't enough to completely take your breath away. If you remember in that movie, Meryl Streep talks about where the three rivers come together. So you've got 1, 2, and 3. And they would have taken that lake to come down. I mean, oh my gosh. Let's see if I can. Isn't that incredible? It is just, I can't even describe how beautiful this is here. Okay, so it's amazing standing right here. It actually almost smells like you're at the beach, and you can feel the mist coming off. It's pretty incredible, everything that you can see. In fact, there are some people standing out there on the rock, if you can see them, so we're going to try to get out there.
Remember the beginning, the warning signs about water levels coming up and going down, and we wondered why they put it out there? It's because those people over in there. They don't pay attention. Not good listeners.
But hey, we're going to go over there. Oh my goodness, we're going to try to go across this thing.
Are you gonna do it?
I'm going to try. I saw the kids bouncing on it. That scared me, but I'll give it a whirl.